Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore account's PIN on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To restore the PIN code to your Windows account, you're gonna have to select I forgot my PIN option on the sign-in screen. If you don't see I forgot my PIN option right here, then try entering PIN code several times. If your attempts aren't correct, you will eventually see this option right here. Just click I forgot my PIN, and then you're gonna have to either sign into your Microsoft account, or if you have a local account set up on your device, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself, and after answering one of these questions, you'll be able to set up a new PIN code for your device. Now, if you don't remember the answer to the security questions, the only solution to this issue will be performing a factory reset operation by reinstalling the Windows on your laptop, and yeah, it will result in erasing all data from your PC. However, you will eventually regain access to your computer. And if you need some guidance on how to reinstall Windows from USB, we have a separate video on this topic on our channel, so if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. Now, if you see this window in front of you, then here you're gonna have to click send code, and then check the email that you see right here, and check the last message you got from Microsoft. There you will see your single-use code. Just enter this code that you received into this field and press enter. And after that, click continue and enter the new PIN code on the following window. Enter it into the first field and make sure that you remember it this time, and then confirm it in the second field. Then click OK, and in a moment the access will be regained, and you will see your desktop once again. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.